The village of Hámor was established in the 18th century after Henrik Fazola established an iron factory in present-day Ómassa and built forges, for example smithies, in the valley of the Szinva stream. To ensure the energy supply for these smithies, a water reservoir was created in the valley of the Garadna stream. Today, this reservoir is known as Lake Hámori, which is one of the most iconic landmarks of Lillafüred. There had been a lake before at the junction of the Szinva stream and the Garadna stream, but its water was insufficient for the local industry and ironworking. Therefore, Henrik Fazola, the most famous Hungarian blacksmith of the early 1900s, built a dam to ensure the required amount of water. Lake Hámori is essentially a reservoir enlarged with great effort on the border of Felső-Hámor and Lillafüred. It is deeper than Lake Balaton with an average depth of 9 meters. When it was created, it didn't even have a name. It was simply called Taj, which is nothing more than the regional variation of the German word lake. In the Sunday paper in 1861, it was called Lake Diósgyőr. Not only was the lake intended for sports activities, but plans were also made to use it as a beach spa, for which reason a bathing facility was constructed in the 1940s and became popular among vacationers and those who wanted to relax. Across the lake, on Hill Dolka, once stood the Zsófia lookout tower, named after Zsófia Teleki, the wife of Béla Vaj. This was the first tourist lookout in the Bükk Mountains, built in 1900 at the initiative of the Borsod-Bükk Association. The two-story tower offers breathtaking views of the Szent István Hill, Fehérkőlápa, the entire Garadna Valley and Hotel Palace. Unfortunately, the lookout was dismantled in the 50s due to its neglected condition, but its reconstruction has come up again in recent years. The scenic beauties of the Hámor village were discovered at the turn of the 19th and 20th centuries, and the wealthy citizens of the area built villas and summer houses in the peaceful, picturesque environment. Hámor has become an increasingly well-known and popular destination for domestic tourism. An increasing number of travelers, poets, writers, and politicians have visited the landscape, which abounds in natural beauty. The area of villas and holiday home owes its name to the Vaj family. The Lord Lieutenant of Borsod County, Béla Vaj, also owned a holiday home in the Hámor holiday village, and it was at the suggestion of others that the area was named after his daughter, nicknamed Lilla, in 1892. The building next to us is the former Vejlik villa, which belonged to a very wealthy merchant. Pál Vejlik was one of the prominent figures in the commercial life of Miskolc. The building was built in 1906 and welcomed its guests until 1944. The plans for Hotel Palace were initially to include the villa area, but the owner refused to sell the property for any money, so the existing plans had to be modified. Let's get a taste of the atmosphere of aristocratic life in Lillafüred. Hotel Palace has always been famous for its gastronomy and hospitality. The hotel has had several restaurants since its opening, including our current ground floor restaurant, from which we can step out onto the terrace overlooking Lake Hámori, which offers a stunning view. What is the name of our ground floor restaurant, consisting of multiple rooms where breakfast and dinners are served? Enter the correct answer and let's meet downstairs to explore the architecture curiosities of our restaurant.